Question number 166. The organisms which are considered as immortal is or are. And which organisms are considered as immortal? These are single-celled organisms or unicellular organisms. The very first option given is amoeba only, and this is an incorrect option because not only amoeba but all unicellular organisms are considered as immortal. The next option given is all unicellular organisms, and as it is a correct option, so this is a correct answer to our question, because in all unicellular organisms, cell division results in reproduction. So there is no natural cell death in them, and so they are considered as immortal. All unicellular organisms. Let's discuss other options also. The next option given is Apis and Periplaneta, and these are the incorrect options because these are multicellular organisms. Apis, which is commonly known as aphid, and Periplaneta, which is commonly known as cockroach, are multicellular organisms. These are eukaryotic organisms and they are not considered as immortal. So the correct answer to this question is option number 2. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 167. Maximum lifespan is a characteristic of, and life expectancy is the characteristic of a. Select the option which fill the blanks correctly. Maximum lifespan is the maximum number of years survived by any member of a species, which means blank A is species. On the other hand, life expectancy is the number of years an individual can expect to live for, and it is based on average life span, which is referred to average number of years survived or age reached by members of a population, which means B is represented by population. So the correct answer to this question is option number 1, that is species and population. Maximum lifespan is a characteristic of species and life expectancy is a characteristic of a population. Whereas rest of the options like population and species is an incorrect option, genus and class is an incorrect option, class and genus cannot be a correct answer to our question. So the correct answer to this question is option number 1. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 168. Select the odd one with respect to sexuality of organism. And the options are cockroach, earthworm, leech and tapeworm. And the correct answer to this question is option number 1, cockroach. Because cockroach is unisexual, in which sexes are separate. On the other hand, the other 3 options like earthworm, leech and tapeworm are the incorrect options because these are bisexual or hermaphrodite, in which sexes are not separate. So the correct answer to this question is option number 1. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 169. Combined pills called OCP contain a mixture of, and these oral contraceptive pills called OCP contain steroidal preparation. So let's select the option which contains steroidal preparation only. The very first option given is GnRH and FSH, and this is an incorrect option because GnRH, gonadotropin releasing hormone, and FSH, follicular stimulating hormone, are proteinaceous. And they are not present in combined pills. GnRH and FSH. The next option is FSH and progesterone, and this is an incorrect option because FSH is a proteinaceous hormone and is not present in combined pills, although progesterone is present in combined pills. The next option given is estrogen and progesterone, and this is a correct answer to our question because combined pills contain a mixture of both these steroidal hormones called estrogen and progesterone. The last option given is estrogen and HCG, and this is an incorrect option because estrogen is present in combined pills along with progesterone, but HCG is absent in combined pills. HCG again is a proteinaceous placental hormone. So the correct answer to this question is option number 3. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 170. The vital link that ensures continuity of species between organisms of one generation to the next generation is, and options are sperm, ova, zygote and embryo, and the correct answer to this question is option number 3, zygote. This is a direct question because zygote is a unicellular diploid structure that serves as vital link between organisms of one generation to the next generation. On the other hand, the other 3 options, sperm, ova and embryo, are the incorrect options. Sperm and ova are haploid structures and are incorrect option, and embryo is a diploid structure but it is not a vital link between organisms of one generation to the next generation. So the correct answer to this question is option number 3. Let's discuss our next question.